Hello everyone, this is a video demonstration series for using Huawei Cloud RDS for MySQL. The first topic is how to buy a RDS for MySQL instance. So first you need to go to the Huawei Cloud official website, sign up or log in your account, then click console. On the console page, press this button here and either search or go to the database category and find the RDS service. So click and press buy DB instance. And here are two purchase methods. One is quick config, which is provides simpler steps and fewer options. But now I'll show you the custom config page. And in the custom config page, you need to select more settings and configurations. So for example, like the billing mode, you can choose yearly, monthly prescription or pay-per-use. And you can select the engines options, instance configurations, the basic settings, the connectivity settings. If you want to know all the details about these parameters, you can visit the user guide page for RDS service and find the corresponding topic. And here are all the option names and its detailed descriptions. So before you press the buy button, check all the settings, make sure they are what you want. And if it's all good, then press buy. And here is the summary page. You can double check the configuration. If that's okay, then click the agreement box and press submit. Okay, so now if you see this information, that means the request has been submitted and you can go back to the instance list. And here you can see the instance. The first one is the one we just bought. You can see it's still being created. It will take about 10 minutes after the status column turn to available. That means this instance has been successfully created.